Hey, welcome back to CrossTalk podcast. I'm Tomoya.
Hi, I'm Andrea.
So let's talk about something we all struggle with. What do we do when our stuff breaks?
Ooh.
Do we just check it out and buy a new one?
It depends on what it is for me. Some things I will repair, and a lot of things I'll just throw it away.
Anyway, let's talk about it.
Okay.
So you might be surprised to know there's a big movement called right to repair.
Right to repair. Oh, that's interesting. Okay.
It's basically the idea that people should be able to fix their own electronics without having to go through the manufacturer.
Okay, this is actually really good because I think probably everyone who has, for example, if you buy a smartphone and you need to replace the battery, for example, that's probably fairly easy. But you're not supposed to open the back of the phone, right? If you open it, the warranty is canceled.
Right.
So that's kind of like what this is, right? You have the right to repair. You have the right to open your own phone and replace the battery,
Yes.
for example.
Yes. And in the case of Apple iPhones, you can't even open your backup iPhone case.
Really, it nulls the warranty completely.
You have to have a special driver or something
Oh,
to
okay.
open up iPhone.
Okay. So if someone, like if the company's allowed this right to repair, then they would make electronics or phones or whatever with like replaceable panels or easy to remove panels.
Exactly.
Okay.
You know, back in old era when we had flip phones,
Yes.
it was easy to open the back of the panel
Okay.
on your phone.
Okay.
And then you can replace your battery to new one.
Okay. I don't remember doing that, but I'll trust you. But, I think it's not just smartphones. It's actually a lot of electronics.
Exactly.
Right? So that's where the issue comes in. It's pretty much all modern electronics. You're not supposed to open anything up, or you can't. Like you said, you can't open it without a special tool.
Yes. Well, there's a company in the UK called Team Repair that making it fun and easy for kids.
Ooh, okay.
They send out to repair kits with broken gadgets like old game consoles and toys, along with all the tools you need to fix them. Kids learn by doing, and they even get to keep the fixed gadget when they are done.
I would think that would be a very good, what do you call it, an incentive
Yes.
for kids to try this. And I think when my sons were younger, they would have loved this because a lot of kids are actually good at taking things apart and putting them back together. So this is actually really good for like especially boys or, kids that want to be engineers and
Oh,
stuff.
yes.
Yeah. And then they
Yes.
get to keep whatever they fix. That's cool.
Yes.
It's a cool idea.
No, I think so. And I was good at breaking things, so I wish I had this gadget.
Okay. So you're good at breaking things and someone else could be good at fixing it.
Yes. Do you have any items that you've kept for a long time, even though they are broken or no longer useful?
Gadgety things?
Anything.
Actually, yeah, like cameras,
Cameras.
some old cameras.
Oh, yeah.
Watches, because watches, you need to replace the battery every couple of years. This is a chargeable watch, so not this one, but like regular watches, things like that. Yeah, like it's easy enough to do it, but you kind of have to take your watch to the shop also, so it just sits in a box.
Uh-huh.
Other gadgety things. Yeah, there's stuff around my house that needs to be repaired, definitely.
You don't want to throw them?
No, I don't really wear watches except for my fitness watch, but I don't want to just throw watches away. Some of them have sentimental value, like one my mother gave to me as a gift. And, my mother passed away, so that's kind of sentimental. I'm not really sentimental, but I don't want to throw that away.
I see.
And I have a watch that my mother was using that I gave to her. And then after she died, I took it back. So, yeah, I don't want to throw that away.
Okay.
But like some things, I could throw things away. But yeah, if someone were to come to my house and repair, yeah.
That would be nice.
That'd be very nice, yeah.
I have 2 laptops
Yeah.
that I can't throw them.
Right. Actually, we have 3.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, and I think my boys have a couple of tablets or something that they need to throw away. Things like this, like gadgety things. But you don't really know what to do with it, right?
No, not really.
Because you can't, like, legally, you can't just throw it in the trash. You have to recycle it somehow. But
Yeah.
these things have a lot of personal information, so you have to be careful.
Right. It would be nice if I could fix my old laptop.
Yeah. Would you use it?
I might use it for something.
Okay.
Yes.
Right. Yeah. Phones too, like smartphones. And I don't think we have any of the flip top phones. I think I threw those away. The flip phones?
Flip phones.
We throw those away. But the smartphones, like we all have a couple of those laying around.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I do that same.
Yeah.
Because it has my data and also it's still working.
Okay, mine are not. Mine are broken, but I still have them.
Yeah.
But, you know, like with the laptops, they have personal information inside, so they're a little more difficult to throw away.
Yes.
Now I want to go home and clean.
Yes.
I feel like it should be a cleaning day.
Laptops and smartphone are difficult to fix.
Yeah.
But maybe something like a radio. I mean, radio is still difficult. I don't know. What can we fix?
Well, things like DVD players, which no one uses DVD. But that's a pretty easy machine. Kids could probably fix like basic electronic toys.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Easy games.
Easy games.
Yeah. Like a Nintendo or something. PSP.
PSP. Oh.
I mean, I don't know.
Sounds difficult, but maybe.
Maybe.
It's possible.
Maybe. Okay. So that is our episode today. We're talking about how to deal with broken items. And remember, there's that group in the UK called Right to Repair, or they're promoting the right to repair, right?
Yes, they are promoting right to repair.
Okay.
The company name is Team Repair.
Team Repair. Okay.
Not Team Labo.
Okay.
Have any of our listeners tried to repair your own electronics? We love to hear your stories.
Yeah.
So that's all for this episode, but don't forget to catch our next one.
All right. This is CrossTalk signing off, bringing you English your way every week.
Keep listening and keep shining.
Bye.